Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off the goal. The only thing worse than training employees and losing them is not training them and keeping them. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably why so few engage in it. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Money is like an arm or a leg. Use it or lose it. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done, to do more for the world than the world does for you. That is success. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Time and money spent in helping men to do more for themselves are far better than mere giving. The question, who ought to be boss, is like asking who ought to be the tenor in the quartet. Obviously, the man who can sing tenor. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. The best way to make money in business is not to think too much about making it. The competitor to be feared is one who never bothers about you at all but goes on making his own business better all the time. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. There is no such thing as a good or bad mentality either. You use your mind or it uses you. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Money will ruin the life of any man who treats it like anything but a tool. Success is 99% failure. You can't build a reputation on what you're going to do. What's right about America is that, although we have a mass of problems, we have great capacity, intellect, and resources to do something about them. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. Competition is the keen cutting edge of business. always shaving away at costs. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. The only history that is worth a tinker's dam is the history we make today.